this is going to work, but oh shit, nearly stalled. There's a few trees on the track, which is, I think it's interesting. Alright, today we are going to the Netherlands to circuit Zandvoort. Okay, today we're taking off from a glider field near Zandvoort. We'll be flying over that town and then going to the racetrack. I'm going to put the flaps all the way down because just make sure we get over those trees at the end. So full power and release the brakes. Time to get up to speed, but we should be okay. And up we go. The flaps up so we can get some speed up. We pretty much just follow the beach up to the town of Zandvoort, and then a little bit further north is the racetrack. My understanding of Zandvoort, it's a sort of a holiday town for people to go on vacation. Obviously near the beach, etc. Not sure what all these little rivers are and stuff here, like if it's a big national park or it looks all man-made. Yeah, and then we'll go up to the circuit where the Dutch Grand Prix will be held. It's quite an old circuit. It's built. They started building it just before the war broke out, World War II, and then had to stop for that. And then yeah, they finished it in '48, and F1 first race there in '52. Yeah, I think the mayor of Zandvoort convinced the occupying German army to let the locals build a big road there, and that was a bit of a plan to stop the locals from being sent to Germany as prisoners of war. And that's now the main straight of the racetrack. Anyway, yeah, originally the circuit was quite a big sort of ring circuit, quite high speed, but after a few fatal crashes and complaints from houses nearby of the noise and stuff, they made the circuit much smaller, so it went from like a 4-kilometre track to a 2.5, I think it was, yeah, 2.5 kilometre track using an infield, and it was like that through the 90s. And then sort of, and then they extended it again, about using parts of the original track to make it back into a 4-kilometre track and what it is today. And I think F1 started to use it again from 2021, and it's been there ever since. Obviously very popular with fans of Max Verstappen. So here's the racetrack here. It's, so you can see the main straight. Just fly. You can see it's obviously very close to the beach, and yeah, it's kind of nestled in between the sand dunes. So you do see race weekends, quite a lot of sand does blow onto the track. quite a tight, twisty sort of track now these days. And yeah, I think that last corner there has quite steep banking, which not sure this is going to work, but oh shit, nearly stalled. There's a few trees on the track, which is, I think it's interesting. Some flaps down might help. Let's try and not hit that tree on the right. Yeah, there we go. Should be okay. Not too bad in the end. Anyway, Zandvoort Racing Circuit.